Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clinton or near Beloit, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. Damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, East Troy, Clinton, Darien, Potter Lake, Richmond, Love Range, Tiffany, Abel's Corners, Tibbetts, Allen's Grove, Millard, Avalon, Shapir, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, and Troy Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Northwest. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, East Troy, Clinton, Darien, Potter Lake, Richmond, Love Range, Tiffany, Abel's Corners, special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid Lake until 6:15 p.m. At 4:19 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles west of McHenry to 11 nautical miles west of Elgin to 18 nautical miles southwest of Lewis to 30 nautical miles west of Joliet, moving east in 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near, with temperatures around 5:15 p.m. Will not have Winthrop Harbor around 5:40 p.m. Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Newfoundland Harbor, Belmont Harbor, and Divers Harbor around 5:25 p.m. Harrison Beaver, Chris, 31st Street Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and 59th Street Marina around 5:30 p.m. Jackson Harbor around 5:35 p.m. Calumet Harbor and Hamilton Marina around 5:40 p.m. Indiana Harbor around 5:50 p.m. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to 10 to 1.